The joys of parents are secret, and so are their griefs and fears. They cannot utter the one, nor will they utter the other. Children sweeten labors, but they make misfortunes more bitter. They increase the cares of life, but they mitigate the remembrance of death. The perpetuity by generation is common to beasts, but memory, merit, and noble works are proper to men. And surely a man shall see the noblest works and foundations have proceeded from childless men, which have sought to express the images of their minds, where those of their bodies have failed. So the care of posterity is most in them that have no posterity. They that are the first raisers of their houses are most indulgent toward their children, beholding them as the continuance not only of their kind but of their work, and so both children and creatures. They that are the first raisers of their houses are most indulgent toward their children, beholding them in the continuance not only of their kind but of their work, and so both children and creatures. The difference in affection of parents toward their several children is many times unequal and sometimes unworthy, especially in the mothers, as Solomon saith, "The wise son rejoiceth the father, but an ungracious son shameth the mother. A man shall see where there is a house full of children, one or two of the eldest respected, and the youngest made wantons, but in the midst some that are as it were forgotten, who many times nevertheless prove the best." The illiberality of parents in allowance toward their children is an harmful error, makes them base, acquaints them with shifts, makes them sort with mean company, and makes them surfeit more when they come to plenty. And therefore the proof is best when men keep their authority toward the children, but not toward their purse. Men have a foolish manner, both parents and schoolmasters and servants, in creating and breeding an emulation between brothers during childhood, which many times sorteth to discord when they are men, and disturbeth families. The Italians make little difference between children and nephews or near kinsfolk, but so they be of the lump, they care not, though they pass not through their own body. And to say truth, in nature it is much like manner, insomuch that we see a nephew sometimes resembleth an uncle or a kinsman more than his own parent, as the blood happens. Let parents choose betimes the vocations and courses they mean their children should take, for then they are most flexible, and let them not too much apply themselves to the disposition of their children, as thinking they will take best, which they have most mind to. It is true that if the affection or aptness of the children be extraordinary, then it is good not to cross it, but generally the precept is good, optimum elige suave et facile elude faciet consuetendo. Younger brothers are commonly fortunate, but seldom or never where the elder are disinherited.